Jamaica Andrew Wellness. Yeah, do too much Andrew Wellness. Too much separation in the country. Too much separation. Andrew Wellness don't care about one bit. Andrew, nobody at all. These are wicked. You coming like them. You ambush. Andrew Wellness. You and them and those are ambush blood clot Jamaica. Sorry for my language. Sorry for it. Sorry for it. But what I want to ambush Jamaica. What my man say, ambush in the night. But not in the night alone. A red round the ear. Red round the millennium. A ambush. But what I want to know, we're tired of it. We're tired of it. Andrew Whitley, you know, say, me not know them blood. Me not know them like that, you know. Me know Christopher Tufton. Time me with the hospital. And I be a rat and roach in the hospital. Rat and roach. And when me go in there, me go take picture, the nurse them say, put back your camera in your bag. Because them agree for working at the nasty, dirty filth. Some of the nurse them say, lady, take what you can take. And some of them fight against me. But for the nastiness, the country nasty. Andrew Wellness, the country nasty, nasty, nasty. Andrew Wellness is not shame. You're not shame. Andrew, me here to see me here, I'm not shame. Me shame. Andrew, me insane, man. Insane, man. Lay down, downtown. In a Jamaica constable uniform. In a police uniform. Me say madman lay down on street side. In a police uniform. That's when I know, say, the country gone to the dogs. The country gone to the dogs. When me say madman, lay down, insane man, lay down, in a police uniform, top and bottom. Me say, the country gone to the dogs. You know what I do? Never go over Central. Yeah. I call a policeman. It don't look good. Come take it off of him. Andrew, look now, turn the camera, Andrew say. Andrew, turn to the sky too. All the angel them. All the angel them, Andrew, tired of you. Andrew, all the angel them, tired of you, because you're not for the poor people. You are for the rich guys. The Jews and the Gentiles, and them you for. The done. I'm on telling you, say, the one I want to kill me 50. Cornelia Richard, justice for Cornelia Richard. And I yes, I start. Yeah.